are the ingredients?
You need 5 cups of chicken
Or tofu,
A half cup.
a rice wine,
a quarter cup,
a soy sauce, a quarter cup,
a sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, a half cup of ginger, and a half cup of garlic. 2 cups of basil, 2 cups of mushroom.
Other vegetables are also here.
Slice the herbs and vegetables.
So first, let's cut here. And like 1, 2, 3, okay?
Magic and mix the sauce ingredient.
How much soy sauce do I need? 1/4. Let's take a look at the cup, okay? This is 1 cup. This is 1 cup. This is 1 cup, right? Okay. Right. So we're going to use this one to measure this. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Okay, when this is done.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Slow. Yes. And then stir.
And stir a bit.
Heat up the oil.
Use high heat. Fry the garlic and ginger for a few minutes.
And it's super healthy because you got ginger and garlic.
Yeah.
And the sesame oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, all good for your body.
Okay.
Add the chicken or tofu. Then fry for 5 minutes. Then add the sauce. Turn the heat to low.
Braise for 10 minutes. You can stir. You don't want it to burn. The sauce will get thick.
I think we can put the mushroom.
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
Okay, so how much?
Where are the mushrooms?
你要加多少? How much do we need?
And the cook.
As the basil. Now it's done. You can eat this with rice.
Did you cook it before? No, never, really. How about now? Do you think you can cook it now by yourself? Yeah, maybe. Hey, how was the tofu? Is the tofu good?
Yes.
Very good, yeah? 等一下哈。Class!
Yes!
Who was the cutting team? Nice job, cutting team. Who is the measuring team? You're so quiet. Who's the measuring team? You're supposed to say yeah! Okay, good job, good job. Who is the cooking team?
Yeah!
Wow, very good job, cooking team. Very, very good. How does it taste?
Super good.
How did the chicken smell?
It smells amazing. It smells great.
Do you like cooking?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, why?
because it is interesting.
Okay,
Because I can eat it.
you can eat, and eating is fun. Did you cook this before?
Yes.
You did. Where did you cook it?
In the camping.
When you went camping, you cooked 3 cups chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. Is cooking dangerous?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because it's very hot.
That's okay. That's okay. One more time. Okay, I'm recording now because this is really funny.
Now it's done.
Now it's done.
Now
Oh, no, it's done. Okay, try again. Let me just, yeah, okay. That's pretty crazy, yeah. So how did the chicken smell?
It smells wonderful. It's amazing.
Who is the elephant? Okay, shoot. Now let's do it one more time, but really loud, okay?
What?
Yeah. No, not too crazy, okay. Now it's done.
Now it's done.
Don't punch her in the face. Be careful. Did you see that? I'm like, one more time, and don't let me see that, okay? Okay, ready?